In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color after removing in Canva. First, open your browser and search for Canva. In the results, choose the official Canva website so you land on the right place. Once you're there, log in to your account. If you're already signed in, you'll go straight to your homepage. Next, open the design you're working on, the one where you've already removed the background from your photo. If you don't see it right away, use the Recent Designs section or the search bar to locate it. With your design open, click on any empty space on the white canvas, also known as the page, around your photo. This part is important. Clicking the empty area tells Canva you want to edit the page background itself, not the image. If you see a bounding box or handles around your photo, that means the image is selected. Just click once on the blank area until nothing on the page is highlighted. Zooming out a bit can make it easier to find a clear spot to click. Now, look to the top toolbar and click the background color icon. It appears as a small rainbow-colored square. If the icon doesn't appear, double-check that you've selected the canvas and not an element or text box. You'll see color options open up. For a quick change, pick a solid color from the default palette. If you have a brand kit, you can choose one of those saved colors to keep everything consistent with your visual identity. This is a great way to maintain a cohesive look across multiple designs. If you want a custom hue, click the plus button to add a new color. Use the color wheel to fine-tune your shade, or type in a hex code if you have a specific brand color. This is helpful when you need exact matches, like aligning with a logo or a style guide. You can also drag the saturation and brightness sliders to get the right balance, especially if you're aiming for good contrast behind your subject. For a more dynamic look, scroll down in the color menu to explore gradients. Choose a pre-made gradient for speed, or create your own to blend two colors that complement your photo. Try pairing a deeper tone behind lighter subjects or a softer gradient behind darker subjects to keep your subject popping without overwhelming the image. That's it. By selecting the canvas, opening the background color tool, and choosing solid colors, custom hues, or gradients, you can refresh your design background in seconds while keeping your subject front and center.